Hey everyone, welcome back to RPM Studio, the hub for classic car lovers and gearheads alike. If you're into iconic muscle cars, high-octane history, and raw American power, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss a beat from RPM Studio. Today, we're diving into an all-time classic, the 1970 Ford Mustang Fastback. This car doesn't just turn heads, it snaps necks. It's more than a machine. It's a piece of muscle car legend. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why this car still makes enthusiasts drool 50 years later. Let's start with the first thing that grabs your attention, the exterior. The 1970 Fastback, also called the sports roof, sharpened its design compared to earlier years. You've got those dual headlights now sitting in the grille instead of outside it like the 69, a blacked-out rear panel, and just enough chrome to remind you that you're staring at pure Detroit steel. The body lines flow aggressively, the long hood and short rear deck scream performance, and that fastback slope. It's almost predatory. You can practically hear it growling before the engine even starts. Now pop the hood, because the performance is what made the '70 Mustang a true icon. Depending on your setup, this car could come with a variety of power plants, from the entry-level inline-six to the 302 Windsor or even the 351 Cleveland. But if you were lucky or brave, you could spec it with the fire-breathing 428 Cobra Jet V8. That beast churned out 335 horsepower on paper, but real-world numbers were much higher. In fact, many claim Ford underrated it to keep insurance costs down. Smart move. Slam the throttle, and this car will push you back in your seat with a thunderous roar that only a true American V8 can produce. 0 to 60 in under 6 seconds? In 1970? That was wild. Slide into the interior, and you're hit with vintage charm. No digital screens. No distractions. Just a clean, driver-focused cockpit with everything you need and nothing you don't. You've got the signature twin-pod dash, deep bucket seats that wrap around you like they're holding on for dear life, and a 3-spoke steering wheel that makes you feel like you're piloting something serious. Because you are. Materials vary depending on the trim, but leather-wrapped details and wood accents in the Mach 1 give it a bold, upscale feel, even by today's standards. There's something raw and real about the interior. It's not trying to impress you with gadgets. It's inviting you to drive. And let's talk about value, because if you're hunting one down today, prices vary dramatically depending on condition, engine option, and originality. A well-kept 302 model might run you around $35,000 to $45,000, while a mint-condition Mach 1 with the 428 Cobra Jet, that could easily top $90,000 or more at auction. And let's not even talk about the Boss 429. If you find one of those, you're looking at 6 figures without blinking. But here's the thing. Owning a 1970 Fastback Mustang isn't just about investment. It's about the feeling, that rumble under your feet, the wind through the cabin, the looks from strangers at every stoplight. It's about nostalgia, heritage, and power wrapped in steel and soul. So, whether you're just a fan or in the market for one of these legends, the 1970 Mustang Fastback stands as one of the most iconic muscle cars ever built. Its design, its sound, its performance, all of it is pure American muscle, frozen in time but still thundering loud. If you enjoyed this deep dive into a true classic, don't forget to smash that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments. What's your favorite Mustang year? And of course, subscribe to RPM Studio so you never miss out on the next automotive legend we bring to life. Until next time, keep the engine running and the rubber burning. RPM Studio signing off.